Running up a bag on chase hoes. Running up a man.
Show my in your bar, us yo.
Good job. Suck it to me. Man. Turn it up a little bit. Down. Yeah. Man. I'm dipping through traffic. Blues in pockets. My rank is high. These hoes is flocking. I'm checking my bank. I'm thinking the ways. I smack from the back to her leg shake. You know what it do. You know that I'm here. You thought it was good cause I ain't dropped for a minute. But nigga, I'm a cold piece. Pay cash, nigga, no lease. I'm walking through the club and my fit is clean. No label on the shirt, but it cost me a G. Got money in my pocket and Carter on the beat. Used to sip Cuddy Bangs when I lived in the V. I rolled that dice, I took that chance. Girl, you looking hella good, I should be your man. I am dipping, whole nother mission. I am winning, so these hoes pay attention. Niggas see me winning, I'm on go mode. Made a couple million, no promo. Running up a bag, I don't chase hoes. Running up a bag, I don't chain, I'm on go mode. Made a couple million, no promo. Running up a bag, I don't chase hoes. Running up a bag, I don't chase hoes.
Don't laugh, man. Okay, I've been a fan of Youngster for long. If you were a real fan, you will know. If you were a real fan of Youngster, you will know that this man, before Salutas, before he even had his original accent, cuz was with DNA. He had like a project called DNA, the DNA Alliance, where cuz had a producer called Arsenic. And that man made all these beats and all this, and this was when he was just spitting on that boom bap beat. You feel me? This is before everything. And I haven't listened to it, but mostly because I heard that cuz was spitting in American in the songs. But there's one song that always had my attention, man. It's called I'm Broke, right? In the interview ad with whoever, he says that song paints a picture of where he was at that time. He says like I was sitting in the train, got nothing. I'm trying to hear that song. No lie, I'ma push the accent aside for now, the American accent. I wanna hear what cuz has to say and just to see where he made it to from there. You know what I mean? That can be some motivation, cuz. Look at you can be in what situation right now. If you focused and you know what you're doing certain things for, you can get somewhere forward. I promise you, cuz. Now look, I'm trying to hear that number. It's probably not gonna be the best song in the world, but I'm not looking for the best song in the world. I'm looking for realness. I'm trying to hear where this man was actually at. I always wanted to hear the song, but I never got to it, man, because it wasn't a priority, but it was like there was some curiosity to it, man. You know what I mean? Side note, you probably seen this top in like 20 reactions so far. Anmaka, look here, man. There's a cold front, man, and I can get cold and take this off and wear a shirt for the reaction, so it looks like I'm not just wearing the same top every day. Look here, I'm wearing the same top every day. Straight. Straight up. Hold up, you too loud. Straight, I'm wearing the same top every day. And I'm not gonna put the other top on just for you. Dig, this is a real vibe. This isn't an unsaid or fake vibe. If you got the problem with that, then I don't know, cuz. Look here. You get people that put makeup on, they put their best clothes on for the reaction. No, cuz. I was somewhere just now, and this is the gear I had on. You feel me? You dig? Yo, that real nigga shit. That solo Vato socks. You dig? But look here, man. Let's hear the song. I'm curious. But look here, 5 or 3 to 1. Let me keep my big DJ, put it in the deck, and if you like the content, show some respect. And click there, man. You dig? No more you digs.
Youngster.
how he sounds, cuz don't even got that, you know what I mean? No beard, nothing, sir.
Another day begins. I wake up and wonder how I'm gonna pay for things. I hate my skin exam booklet, my paper thin. No car, I gotta wait till the train pull in. Third class, 550 earphones in.
Yo, if you from Cape Town, you know already third class in the train is kak. But shockingly, it's safer than first class if you a real nigga. But do you hear that? The man is still walking off no car. Third class. Train. If you've never caught the train and you're from Cape Town, then you are privileged. You dig. You spoiled.
I hate knowing I rap better than most grown men. My debts are growing. I owe her and I owe him. My fixed account don't work and my wallet is...
Did you hear that? I hate that I'm better than most grown men. But my debts are growing. So I know I'm gevaarlijk. I know I'm supposed to be somewhere. But you know, your road to success is gonna be like this. You feel me? You're gonna first go right down. You're gonna go a little bit up. You're gonna go right down again. Little bit up. Right down even further. Then you're gonna come to your place. Now that's how it feels, man. It's the worst when you know you're supposed to be somewhere gevaarlijk. But you know what? It's taking long. But you have to trust the process. You dig.
Broken oceans, 11. I don't know them, but I would have been the 12th one and helped them when they broke in. Even your appreciation needs a token. They say talk is cheap, but silence is golden. Now why you think I'm standing on this corner with my hands in my pocket? I ain't got shit, homie, I'm broke. And why you think I'm in the house? I don't go out. You didn't know, you know now. God damn it, I'm broke. And I ain't got no money to give, and I ain't...
How transparent cuz is being with you. Look here, his accent is American, but what he's spitting is an American. You feel me? This man is giving you his whole picture, Jay. This man is telling you cuz I'm broke. I don't go out because a nigga is broke. You know what I'm saying? He's being so open with you, man. That's why people like this man so much, because he was honest. Even with the American accent, cuz was still giving you Cape Town. Who does that? Who?
Got no money to spend, no. And I ain't got no money to give. And I ain't got no money to spend. God damn it, I'm broke. People working in these jobs that they hate, but I guess you need money to have a fork on your plate. I'm trying to turn my passion into my work. I'm last place in this rap race, but I'ma be finishing first, talking saliva.
I'm last place in this rat race. Do you know what the rat race is, my nigga? All your ones working 9 to 5s, right? And don't worry, I was part of that shit as well, you dig? It's a 2-mark, man. A 2-mark. You're gonna get comfortable there, no? Until you get old, and then you're gonna realize, wow, I was comfortable for nothing, cause that was a whole trap. Now I can't do nothing, basically. You work till you get retired, no? Now think of that word, retired. You know what I'm saying? Retired. Tired. When you're 65, you get to retire. That means that's when you tired. Say, can't you were tired the whole journey up till then you were tired. Not doing what you want, following a nigga. Like just not doing nothing you want. No? Thinking you're doing the right thing. Can't you just in the rat race, cuz it's just a 2-mark, because they're not trying to let you make something happen, man. Make that money, you know what I mean? They want it to be down there on the easy bus, so they put you all in a rat race. You feel me? I was part of it. I worked at King Pie, sports scene, crazy store, clean the river, clean Soetwater, all that. So I understand and I realize, look, this is a 2-mark. When I'm old, I don't want to be at King Pie. When I'm 55, I don't want to be at sports scene. Hey, pants hanging and stuff. Wearing chains, jewelry, thinking I'm gevaarlijk, auntie. I can't even afford a car, you feel me? But it was told to me, look here, this is what you must do, and that's just how it is. You must do that. No, nigga, I'm left-handed, cause left-handed people think differently. Left-handed people see things differently, completely different. I promise you, cuz. So what I got in my mind, that's why I stand out, girl, with these reactions. I always don't like me because I'm different. I think differently. I react differently. You feel me? It's just life.
Spitting a verse. Yeah, I'm broke, but I know many people living in conditions that's worse. Loafing for bread, I'm focused instead. I'm glad I got the roof over my head. He asked me a question, so I said, now why you think I'm standing on this corner with my hands in my pocket? I ain't got shit on me, I'm broke.
Straight.
Why you think I'm in the house? I don't go out. You didn't know, you know now. God damn it, I'm broke. And I ain't got no money to give, and I ain't got no money to spend, no. And I ain't got no money to give, and I ain't got no money to spend. God damn it, I'm broke. A young and never been as broke as me. Mom's lost a job, she could either buy clothes for me or groceries. That was a hard time, we got through it hopefully. She was an architect, cause she kept the roof over me. But I'm grown up, hustling hard, trying to purchase up my own stuff. They say the world is your playground, money makes the world turn around. And this is how being broke sounds. Now why you think I'm standing on this corner with my hands in my pocket? I ain't got shit on me, bro.
Yo.
Why you think I'm in the house? I don't go out. You didn't know, you know now.
My mother was an architect because she kept a roof over my head. What?
God damn it, I'm broke. And I ain't got no money to give, and I ain't got no money
See.
to spend. No. And I ain't got no money to give, and I ain't got no money to spend.
Yeah, cuz he knew it. Youngster knew it. He knew. He saw the whole picture before the time, cuz. This man saw, look, yeah, I got nothing right now. Nothing, like at all. I'm make a song about it. I'm broke. Straight. I understand I got nothing right now. But I'm trying to turn my passion into a career. And once that happens, once it's fast, then it's fast. Not gonna let it go. And that's what Cuz did. I got a business, he got everything. He owns a clothing store in Wynberg. This man is doing his thing. Oh, one day they're gonna see this man as like a South African Nipsey Hussle. And he's influenced by Nipsey Hussle. I said Cuz is heavily influenced by Nipsey Hussle. Heavily. Los Angeles. All that. I once want to say Cuz is just a fake copycat of California. No, Cuz didn't do nothing to copy anybody. He's just he showed his spec actually by doing certain things that kind of seemed like it's from California. You know what I mean? Like it is the W-E-S-T. That's the same as that Snoop Dogg song. Nah. All that. But he was showing his spec. Obviously, if you're gonna bite it, you're not gonna. If you're gonna bite some, if you're gonna steal something, right? You're not gonna let it be known that it's stolen. You're not gonna make it obvious that it is part of that. You're gonna disguise it. But he didn't disguise nothing because he was showing his spec. He wasn't stealing. He was showing his spec. You know what I mean? But respect to youngster, cause it was like 10 years ago, and this is what this man was putting. 10 years ago, and now this man is on Comedy Central doing roasts and stuff. This man is on TV. This man is doing all that, and he did it. He just believed in himself, man. Even when he was broke, he believed in himself, cuz. Take that. And do that same thing, cuz. If you got the vision of where you want to be, man. You know what I mean? But look here, I'm talking too much again. It's Boss Life, IBK, have a liquor day. All that. Beautiful, man. Not beautiful, man. Real nigga shit.